Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. We're here today because I'm gonna be showing you how I do my hair. So I recently purchased Revlon One Step Volumiser Plus, the one that got released 2 years ago, but I only found out about it now because my friend actually recommended it to me because I was really having a hard time with my hair. I absolutely hated my hair, and no matter what I did, it just didn't look good. Whether curly or straight, it never really looked good. It looked very unhealthy and frizzy and fried. And now that I'm growing out my hair, really don't want to cut it. I just want to like do my best to style it and make it look healthier. So that's why I'm so happy that I purchased Revlon, and I'm gonna share with you my current hair routine when I'm doing my hair, when I'm straightening my hair, because sometimes I still go for my wavy hair look, and with that nothing really changed. So you can go and watch that if you're more into curly hair routines, but this one is for straight hair look. And as someone who has 2B curl type, my main issue with straightening my hair is that it always gets frizzy and it doesn't really look sleek enough. And really, Revlon is so good at it. I purchased this hair tool for just 40 euros, and it's doing it so good that I wouldn't mind spending more on this hair product. Like, honestly, it's my holy grail. I don't know if I'll ever go for Dyson, maybe at some point, because I'm like becoming more interested in styling my hair and like actually doing something. But for now, Revlon is my go-to. Absolutely love it, and I just really wanted to share with you my current hair routine tutorial, all the products I'm using, and all the steps in order to achieve this look right here. I think if you have straight hair, for you it's no big deal, but if you have frizzy, curly, wavy hair girly, you know this is everything, and it's not that easy to achieve this look. So without further ado, let's begin, and I hope you'll enjoy. Okay guys, so before we start my hair washing routine, I just came from the gym, so I'm gonna wet my hair and apply the first product when I do my full-on hair care routine. First, let's wet my hair. Now, we don't need our hair to be fully wet, we need it to be damp. So we're gonna take our towel and kind of get the moisture out as much as possible. Now I'm taking my favorite Olaplex number 3 and I'm gonna apply it. I think this is enough. So we need to apply it from the scalp all the way to the ends, but I honestly focus more on the ends because they are fried from all the coloring and all the procedures that I perform on my hair, you know, such as blow drying, styling. Yeah. You can add more if you want. I usually don't do it because otherwise I'm gonna run out very quickly. But this is more than enough. And now you need to leave it for at least 10 minutes, but I usually leave it for 30, even 1 hour. So we'll see you in the shower once time's up. Okay, so now that the hair is washed, it's time to blow dry my hair before we move to Revlon part. And first things first, we're gonna apply Heat Defense Serum by Amica. This is my first time using it. I know I should show you like what I actually have been doing, but the thing is, I am new to the whole blow drying my hair game. Like, as you know, I was embracing my natural wavy hair, so I was usually just not blow drying it but diffusing it, so it was a bit different the way I would do it. I still let my wavy hair be its wavy self. However, now that I'm like doing more frequently my styling routine, I make sure to protect my hair, and I needed a good hair product, so let's hope that Amica is actually gonna be good. I'm gonna unbox it with you. I really love the packaging. Like, it's so colorful, it's so fun. It was a bit pricey, but I hope it means it's gonna be good and it's gonna protect my hair. And voila, it's 50 milliliters, very small, but should be enough for the next year at least. Like, I don't want to get rid of this package. The box looks so cute, like so colorful, especially now that it's dark all the time. This makes my day brighter, I swear. This protects your hair up to 230 Celsius for 150 Fahrenheit. Apply 1-3 pumps to damp or dry hair. Pre-heat styling. Avoid contact with ice. So I'm gonna apply it now on my damp hair. And then we're gonna start blow drying. So it's not a spray, so I think I need to be careful when getting it out. A serum, literally, it says it's a serum. So 3 pumps. Let's hope it's gonna be enough. I don't really think it's gonna be enough. It feels like it's very little. It smells really nice. I think it's like coconut. Also, I know that Amica is really popular among curly hair girlies. So if you have any recommendations what to use for my wavy hair days when I don't want to straighten my hair but I just want to embrace my waves, please let me know, because you know, I love trying different hair care products. Like, that's my favorite thing to do. I don't know why. Hair care products, I don't mind spending my money on, but like, for example, skincare, I'm always like, I have my favorites from The Ordinary and Inkey List, and I don't go for more expensive products, but when it comes to hair, I'm like, no, I should try, like, you know, different things. It's interesting how that works. But yeah, I love experimenting with different like hair care products, but they all have to be cruelty free, which Amica is. It smells so good, actually. Okay, now that my hair is, I would say 80% dry, it's time to move to my favorite part, and that is my Revlon hair tool. So this is One Step Volumiser Plus, the one that was released 2 years ago, because I know there is this OG one, but I got the latest one because I watched all the tutorials, and some people really like the original one, but I decided to go with this one because honestly they're the same price and this one is newer, so this is what I chose. The only difference that I know is that the head is detachable in this Plus version, so there are already other different ones you can install if you want to like do curly hair or whatever, but I honestly just needed to straighten my hair. So this one is enough for me. And yes, I still keep it in the box because like to me that makes it like more magical. Okay, so I attached the head very easily. You just need to make sure that it clicks. So now before I turn it on and it starts working its magic, I just want to explain to you how I do it. So luckily I don't have that much hair, and I can do it in just 10-15 minutes. because I divide my hair in 4 different sections. So first I take like this much, maybe this, yeah, this much. It's not ideal. It's not ideal at all, but we will work with it because I'm not a professional, and that's the whole point, to show you how even people like me who are not good with hair styling can do this. Okay, so then we take Wow Hair Dream Coat, the super natural spray that actually helps to straighten your hair. So you need to apply it on every layer. So like I said, it's going to be 4 sections, and every time I'll be applying Wow Hair before I start styling it, because I think it's also protecting your hair from heat, but I'm not sure about that. But I do know it straightens it like no other. So let's go. And now I'm gonna put it on 2. So there's 4 different modes. First one is cold air, and then 1, 2, and 3 are more and more intense, and I usually go for 2 because at first I tried 1 and it wasn't really strong enough. So 2 is strong enough. I've never tried 3. It's actually quite loud, I would say. So I'm gonna like put some music, but just for you to listen. Listen, it's quite loud. This is 1, 2, 2 and 3 sound the same apparently, but it's quite loud, so I'm not gonna leave it on for you. You can just listen to nice music while I'm trying to make it work. And just like that, in less than 2 minutes, I'm done with the first section. So we're gonna move on to the next and repeat the same process, all the same. So like you saw, I just like take the strand of my hair and like roll it, and then I just let it go. I'm not a professional, but this works for me. This is how I do it, and it helps me straighten my hair actually and give it some volume. Amazing. Okay, let's move to the second section. And finally, the last 2 sections, I really like almost 1 section only. Because of my bangs, I have to kind of like separate this strand from this at first, but then eventually you will see that it just all becomes one because it's just like easier. But I start first with this longer part. And voila, the result is here. In less than 10 minutes, I think, I created this hair. Honestly, it's life-changing, and it was only 40 euros. Just needed the right tool to do my hair. Looks like a blowout from a hair salon, and I'm here for it. I love it. And I'm back to being with full on glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any recommendations, tips, let me know, and I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell to get notified about my new videos, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.